Hi guys. You know, when people you don't know, people you don't care about lie about you, it sucks, of course. It pisses you off. They say anything false about you. All those lies, those liars. But no, it sucks, okay, but it's people you don't care, it's people you don't know. But when it's someone that you love, when it's someone you cherish, when it's someone that you care about, it hurts. It hurts so much, guys. You know, and when it's not the first time, the first time you, the first time you hear about a lie coming from someone you love, someone so close to you, you're in shock, guys. Like, what? How? How can? That's not possible. She can't say that. She loved me. It's no. I don't believe it. And you're like, no, that's not true. That liar about that person lied about my. Oh shit. That person lied about. That person lied about that. And you say, hey, that's alright. That's the thing. But when it's the second time you hear about a lie coming from someone you love so much, huh? You know. When it's the second time you hear about that, you start thinking. Yeah, good. You start thinking about yeah. Plein de buns là. You start thinking about that, guys. Maybe it's true. How two times I heard something terrible. 2 times I heard something terrible about her. 2 times I heard something terrible. That's, you start thinking maybe it's true. It's maybe the truth. And I'm start thinking. You start thinking maybe it's the truth. I don't know. Well, that's so sad. And sorry guys, I gotta go say hello to my co-workers. After that, yes, when you heard The second time, the third time that someone you love say lie to you, lying about you, to other person, to other people. You gotta face the truth, man. She's a liar. He's a liar. He's telling lie about you. That same person that you love so much that you can't believe it is true. But you know what? When someone do that to you, you want, you're saying that to him, and you want him to be, or her to be a better person. You want them to be a better person, to face the truth. And many times they say, no, it's not true. I didn't say that to you. That's so sad, man. I wish I was. I wish I could help, you know. This is so bad, guys. I hate those situations. And it's worse when you got children. You want to say, why are you lying again and again and again and again and again? Stop lying. Be strong, bros. Be strong, sister. I love you.